Hello friends, welcome to Smithfield Digital Fabrications. We are here to see an assembly process of one of our most favorite, most loved lamp, which is called Diwali traditional lamp. Why it is called Diwali traditional? Because it's a traditional version of a wooden lamp, a traditional Diwali lamp with laces. You guys have must seen it, made in the wooden form. We try to keep the traditionality intact by and by introducing the wooden methods. So we'll jump into the unboxing and assembly process. So what you get inside package is these lace strips. There are 4 of lace strips, such left strip. We'll keep it aside. Set of clips, 8 of triangular plates, 1 top plate, and 4 square plates. Okay, so let's keep these aside. We'll focus on the clip part, which is the most important part. There are 3 different set of clips. These are side face tabs. Side face tabs mean these clips will be used to mount the face of the lamp. There are bottom putty tabs. These tabs are used to mount these strips to lamp from the bottom side. There are, as you can see, there are 4 of these type of bottom putty tabs and 4 of these type of tabs. So let's take these tabs out. I have already taken these out. So I have these tabs ready. There are these 4 bottom tabs and these 4 bottom tabs. Let's keep these aside for right now. So take the top plate. There is a slot on top plate. Take any of any side face tab, align and press it gently like this. Take the other tab, align and press it gently. Repeat the same process. Align and press it gently. Align and press it gently. You have 4 tabs installed. Take any of the triangle. This align this triangles this side on the square top plate. This side align it like this. Okay. Take the next triangle. We'll keep it. We'll match it with a different color. Just align and press it gently. You get the click sound, which is a confirmation of an successful joint. Take the next plate, align and gently press it. Click. See how I am holding the clip. I am holding it like this so that you don't push it upwards. You'll end up breaking the clip. Take the triangle, align it with the clip, and gently push it. You can do it like upward downward motion to press it inward. I have kept this slightly tight so that it doesn't fall off. Don't worry about that. The end result is much beautiful. Trust me. Take the next clip and insert it into the one of the side of triangle. Make sure you don't press on the fabric part so that it does not get removed. Repeat the same process. Align and push. Align and just up and down motion, little bit up and down motion. Just take this clip, up and down click. The other side, up and down click. Take the clip, align and press, click. Sorry, as it's a demo piece, we have removed and installed it many times. That's why the clips are a little bit loose. Just it is for the purpose to show you how to install the lamp. Okay, so now move on to the square plate. Take the square plate and align with the triangle like this. See how I'm holding the square. It's rotated in a diagonal manner, 45-degree rotated. Okay, move on to the next square plate. Don't worry about putting the lamp down, it won't break or anything like that. Align and firmly click. I forgot to add this clip, so just add it, click, move on to the next clip. Click. Take the next plate. Take it. Clip. Align and push. Just align and push. Up and little bit up and down motion. Just so it get locked. Align and little bit up and down motion, and you will successfully click it into the next click. You hear the click? Click means it's locked. Click. Okay, so all the square faces are aligned. Now take the next clips, add it to the whichever slots remaining, align and push. That is the mantra. Align and push. Make sure you face the clip inwards. Don't install it like this. You getting my point? Keep the clip inward, not outward, because you have to add the faces in inside portion. And this inwards. Inwards. Inside. So we have added all the clips. Oh, this clip was remaining. Don't worry, you will get extra clips in the box. Don't have to worry about, even if you break any clip, you will get extra clips. Now move on to the triangle part. Now these two clips will go to these two slots. Just align, hold the clip like this, push, align and push, pink, align and push, align, little bit up and down motion, click, align and click, align and click. Now you can see the shape forming. You can already see the lamp is already almost 90% done. Align and click, align and click. Okay, so we are almost done. We are 90% the shape is created. Okay, so we'll move to the bottom part. So now you have the bottom putty tabs like this. There are 4 of these tabs and 4 of these tabs. Okay, don't mix these two. Take one of the, we'll just keep it aside for a moment. Take one of the strip putty and add this 90-degree tab to this. Okay, take the next pink strip, align and push. Take the next tab, insert, take the green one, again align and push. Take the next tab. It's a DIY kit. The whole process of assembly involve your kids. Take your kids with you so that they can also enjoy the process of making the lamp, because it's a festival season. They can also enjoy the process. They can also get the feeling of doing something, making something. You can say it's an stem kit as a square. So the polyhedron which you are creating, there is a learning in this thing. So you can make the lamp and learn few things. If you have any doubt, queries, you can mention in the comment section. If you like our product, you can hit the like button. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Okay, so we moved to the next 4 clips on the bottom putty tab section. These clips we are using. Insert these clips in such a way that the clip is facing outward like this. Remember, the clip is facing outward, not inward. Earlier we were installing it inward, now it is outward. It's a different clip. It's not like the clips that you got earlier. Okay, so we are installing it in outward manner like this. These all clips are with a very specific angle to make sure the shape is how we want the shape to be. These angle govern the shape of the whole lamp. Just align and click. These are all made with a very specific angle to create the whole shape. If anyone know the name of this geometrical shape, he can mention in the comment section. So what we will do is, see, this clip which is facing outward will align with the one of the triangle face. So just align and push. Just little bit pressure or up and down motion can do that. Don't worry about the whole mess. The end product is very beautiful. You will really appreciate. So just align and push. Align. Hope you can say align and push. Just align and push. Now all the clips are in its place. We are done. Our Diwali traditional lamp is ready. See, isn't it beautiful? It's very gorgeous. Hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you like our product, if you are interested in our future updates, hit the subscribe button. And happy Diwali. Thank you very much.